How can I set a keyboard shortcut for accessing Chrome settings? I know that settings can be accessed via the URL Chrome column. Keyboard shortcut will be useful.
You can select it with the menu shortcut. Alt plus E will open the Chrome menu, and then from there S will open settings.
There are actually 3 methods. Alt plus F then press S, Alt plus E then press S, F10 then enter and then press S.
Use the clear browser cache shortcut key then escape. Ctrl plus Shift plus delete then escape.
Default shortcut on Mac Chrome is CMD+. There should be same or about same on other systems.
You can't do it within Chrome as they have not provided any shortcut for this in my knowledge. Anyone can correct me if I'm wrong. You have to download the auto hotkey and then install it on your system. Now copy the following script and paste it on Notepad and save it with extension .awk where you can access it easily. Now when you launch the Chrome, just launch it with that. Now when you will press Ctrl plus M, then it will open the setting page for your Chrome. You can bind other key instead of M, you have to just repulse it with your desired one. Also if you want to use it with Alt key, then replace the key with Edit. Also take a look at the shortcut manager plugin for Chrome.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.